Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be discussing to you if you can use multiple Fiverr accounts on one laptop. First things first, sadly, Fiverr does not allow you to have multiple accounts on the same device. Doing so might get you banned. So, the best thing to do is to acquire a second laptop or device, whether new or used, as having two laptops will allow you to manage your Fiverr business more effectively. Just purchase an additional internet dongle for the second laptop. You can either use two dongles for each laptop or use home or office Wi-Fi on one laptop and an internet dongle on the other. Place small labels in each set of devices, laptop, dongle, or phone. Then just use the same label for one set and another label for the second set. This help avoid errors like This helps avoid errors like accessing your account on the wrong device. For withdrawals, just use PayPal on one account and Pioneer on another. Alternatively, just utilize multiple payment IDs option in PayPal for receiving payments in the same PayPal account with different IDs. Another suggestion is to use completely separate PayPal accounts with distinct bank accounts or cards, and connect the two laptops with a network cable through Ethernet ports. This facilitates fast data transfer between the two laptops. Optional, but recommended for efficient data sharing. And that's it. You may not be able to use multiple Fiverr accounts on one laptop, but you can use one account for different laptop and connect it by sharing data. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.